This new moon in Virgo at 0 degrees is a major reset for your mind, body, and soul. It's not just any new moon. This one activates a powerful mutable cross, connects with Uranus for freedom and innovation, and kicks off a rare cycle that includes a Pisces lunar eclipse and a second new moon next month. Let's break down what this means for you and how to work with it. Before we dive in, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you never miss these cosmic updates. And if you want exclusive content or exclusive astrology content, early access to videos, and a voice in shaping the education we create together, join my Patreon community, The Cosmic Alchemist. The link is in the description. The new moon happened August 23rd, 2025, Saturday at 2:06 a.m. Eastern Standard Time at 0 degrees of Virgo. Anytime we have a new moon at 0 degrees, it's a pure and powerful new beginning in the energy of that sign. Virgo represents work, service, health, routines, and the integration of mind, body, and soul. This is the time to set intentions for clarity, structure, and wellness. But here's the twist. This isn't just a simple new moon. There's a lot more going on under the surface, the essence of Virgo in 0 degrees. Virgo is the sign of the analyzer, order, practical magic. It's the healer of the zodiac, I like to call the nurse. The one that asks, how can I create systems that support my highest good? At 0 degrees, we're working with the raw, unfiltered energy of Virgo. So this is a powerful reset for everything connected to your daily life. Think health routines, meal planning, organization, mental clarity, and practical steps towards your goals. But this new moon is also asking us to think beyond the surface. Virgo's ultimate mission is integration, bringing the mind, the body, and the soul into alignment. Mutable Grand Cross. This new moon is activating the mutable signs, Virgo, Pisces, Gemini, and Sagittarius, creating what's called a mutable cross. This configuration brings tension, choices, and movement. It can feel like you're being pulled in multiple directions, but this is where growth happens. The key with the mutable energy is flexibility. You may feel restless. You may feel like there's too much to juggle, but through patience and persistence, you'll find new ways to adapt and evolve. This is an upgrade moment. Uranus at 1 degree Gemini, freedom and innovation. Now let's add another layer. This new moon makes direct contact with Uranus in Gemini at 1 degree. Uranus is the planet of freedom, breakthroughs, and unpredictability. And Gemini is all about communication, learning, and flexibility. This combination says be prepared for sudden changes in your schedule or work life. A meeting might get canceled, a deadline might shift, or your plans could get turned upside down. But don't panic. This energy is inviting you to be inventive, to think outside the box, and to allow space for freedom in your daily routines. If something changes, it's not a setback. It's a sign to explore a better way. The bigger picture, eclipse season, and a double new moon. And here's why this new moon is extra significant. In just 14 days, we'll have a total lunar eclipse in Pisces, the sign opposite Virgo. That eclipse will bring emotional clarity and spiritual release, connected to the themes we're setting in motion now. Then in 30 days, we get another new moon in Virgo. 2 new moons in the same sign is rare. It means the universe is saying, we're not done with this lesson yet. These 2 new moons are like bookends, giving you the chance to start and refine your routines, habits, and overall approach to health and service. This is not a one-time reset. It's a full integration process. Practical intentions for this new moon. So how do you work with this energy? Keep it simple and practical. Set 3 clear intentions for your daily life. Think health, habit, organization, and mindset. Create space for flexibility in your schedule. Leave room for surprises. Focus on consistency, not perfection. Virgo energy thrives on progress, small intentional steps. House by house guide, what this means for each sign. Now let's break this down for all 12 rising signs. Start with your rising sign and then listen for your sun sign. Aries rising or sun. This is about your 6th house, health and routines, and work habits. Time for a total wellness reset. Affirmation. I create daily habits that support my vitality and peace. Taurus, this lights up your 5th house. Creativity, romance, joy. Structure your possessions so they thrive. Affirmation. I make time for creativity and love every day. Gemini, 4th house energy. Home and emotional foundation. Declutter, organize, and create peace where you live. Affirmation. My home is the sanctuary that nurtures my soul. Cancer, your 3rd house of learning and communication is activated. Commit to clear communication and mental clarity. Affirmation. I speak and learn with clarity and purpose. Leo, this affects your 2nd house, finances and possessions, and self-worth. Build stability with intentional choices. Affirmation. I value myself by managing my resources wisely. Virgo, your 1st house of identity is activated. Reinvent yourself with habits that honor who you're becoming. Affirmation. I align my lifestyle with my highest self. Libra, the 12th house of reset and spiritual health is in focus. Slow down, reflect, restore all of your energy. Affirmation. I honor my inner world and allow myself peace. Scorpio, the 11th house of friends, goals, and networks. Refine your vision and choose circles that support you. Affirmation. I attract connections that align with my future. Sagittarius, 10th house of career and public image. Set goals and create structure for success. Affirmation. I take consistent steps toward my professional dreams. Capricorn, 9th house of learning and spiritual growth. Commit to a study plan or spiritual practice. Affirmation. I expand my mind with wisdom and discipline. Aquarius, the 8th house of transformation and shared resources. Organize finances and deepen emotional bonds. Affirmation. I embrace transformation with courage and trust. Pisces, 7th house of relationships. Create healthy boundaries and nurture balanced partnerships. Affirmation. I invite harmony and clarity into all my relationships. This is a powerful time to bring harmony between your mind, body, and soul. And the universe is giving us 2 Virgo new moons to get it right. So tell me in the comments, what's your rising sign? And what's one habit you're committing to this month? If you want exclusive content, advanced astrology education, and a voice in shaping future videos, join my Patreon community, The Cosmic Alchemist. The link is in the description. And for a personalized reading to see how this new moon upcoming eclipse affect you, visit the website tlcastrologer.com. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video with someone who needs the cosmic insight. I'll see you in the next one.